So, hi ma'am, I am Ara Eliavera and today I will be performing the newborn screening procedure. So first, we have to verify the physician's order. And then after that, we are going to ask for consent to the parents. So ma'am, ako din si Ara Eliavera and student nurse from MSU CHS. And karon ma'am kay mag-perform ni og newborn screening kay baby. So okay lang ba ma'am? Opo. After obtaining consent, we are going to gather necessary information like the name of the baby and the date of birth. Then, when filling the newborn screening form, we should avoid contaminating this area so that it won't alter the results. Ma'am, unsay full name ni baby?
Shine.
So, ma'am, kano sa birthday ni baby?
April 20, 2025.
So, assuming that I am wearing a sterile gloves, after that, I am going to recommend to the parents some comfort measure to provide comfort to the baby. So, ma'am, pwede mo patutyon si baby while nag-perform ni kay para dili ra gud siya maglibog-libog.
Sige.
Tusukan na mo si baby sa iyang napalapas sa iyang right tiil na mag-collect ni og blood para sa iyang blood. Ideally, we are going to use an absorbent paper and we should collect it in a full circle, avoid layering and spotting. Then after this, we are going to send the form into the laboratory. And after that, we are going to give instruction to the parent. So, ma'am, amo nag-send a paper dito sa laboratory and makuha nimo ang result after 1 week. Pero if naa sila problem nga nakita, ilara din kang i-contact within 24 hours para masolusyonan ang problem nila.